Hello people in internet land, come along with me today as I make some salt soap. This is Lori with LauriLin Designs. I've been selling salt soap for over 3 years. I find this soap sells well at my local farmers market and bazaars, but only after I tell people how amazing it is. Salt is unique in that when you put it in soap, and I'm talking straight up sodium chloride here, nothing changes. Another way to say this is that I am not chemically creating a new compound when I'm putting salt in soap. When I mix fats and sodium hydroxide, I get soap. But when I add in salt, I get soap with salt in it, albeit a harder bar of soap, which is good. First of all, I need to give you a disclaimer. I am not a chemist. I am a hobby soap maker who loves to make a lot of soap. I only know enough about chemistry to understand the basics. If you want to learn more, I suggest you do your own research and experimentation. What I am sharing with you today is from my own experience. And with that, why make salt soap? If I put a whole bunch of salt in my soap at trace, I create a salt soap or a spa bar. If I superfat my bar at, say, 20%, and that's extra oils after saponification, I can make a super hard bar that lathers like a lotion and gently exfoliates without being scratchy and without being drying to the skin. Remember that 20% superfat? That's important and ideal. Why should you use salt soap? There are 2 ways to answer this question. 1. Salt soap is soap. Soap cleans you. The end. This is the legal answer. 2. Personal testimony. My skin never got the message that puberty was over. I have adult acne all the time. I have skin that is angry when I wash it and angry when I don't. I've spent so much money on acne treatments and creams and medications. Then I tried salt soap. I use salt soap daily as a facial bar. I find that the salt sucks out my face gunk, and the extra oils, also known as that superfat, put hydration back into my skin. Out with the gross, in with the good. I notice that when I run out of my salt soap and I think I could just get by a few days without it, nope. Anything else you should know about salt soap? Why, yes. Pacific sea salt is full of more than sodium chloride. Sea salt can contain as many as 75 minerals and trace elements. Other minerals you might know are potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Trace minerals may include phosphorus, bromine, boron, zinc, iron, manganese, copper, and silicon. These minerals, in very tiny amounts, are very important to keep your body functioning well. Bring on the salt. Also, salt kills things. Going back to my personal testimony, this is a big part of why salt soap works for me. Salt has antibacterial qualities in that things can't grow well in salt. Therefore, I am getting an antibacterial soap without the chemicals. So, practically speaking, salt soap gives a luxury cleansing experience. It creates a lotiony lather. I prefer to use it with a washcloth. It makes my skin feel clean and smooth without trying very hard. I just need to keep my soap off my metal soap dish because salt makes metal rust. It just does. And salt soap lasts a pretty long time. That wonderful salt, it sure makes a hard soap bar. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment below if you've tried salt soap before. I realize that not everyone loves salt soap. Some customers buy 1 bar a year from me. They just use it every so often. I use it every day. Everyone is different. I hope this video brightened your day. Remember, great soap doesn't have to be boring. Goodbye!